COVID-19, a global pandemic which stops the world. More than 23.6 million cases of COVID-19 reported in 188 countries, more than 800k deaths. Now, face mask and 70% alcohol-based hand sanitizer have become a necessity in this situation. According to WHO, novel coronavirus can be transmitted by touch through infected persons' droplets from nose and mouth. To stop the spreading of the virus, we need an automatic hand sanitizer dispensing system which need not to touch. In this video, I will show you how to make a touchless automatic hand sanitizer dispensing machine under $3 or 170 Indian rupees. If you love my video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Let's switch on. To make this project, we have to use a submersible mini water pump, TIP32C PNP transistor, a quarter watt 1 kilo ohm resistor, an infrared proximity sensor module, some quarter-inch PVC flexible pipe, rejected USB cable, and finally a 5-liter can. You can also use your old household edible oil can, but you have to choose a can through which you can easily insert the pump. Now we have to solder the elements as per given circuit diagram. From the datasheet, we can point out the legs of the transistor, or I have shown how to check the types of the transistor and different legs. You can get the link in description. Now solder the 1K resistor between first leg, that is the output terminal of the sensor, and the transistor first leg, that is the base. The third leg, that is the VCC of the sensor, is shorted with the third leg of the transistor, that is emitter. Now the positive terminal of the pump is connected with the collector terminal of the transistor and negative with the ground terminal of the sensor. Strip the USB cable and find out the red and black wire and remove the others. The red is positive and black is negative supply of 5 volt. The positive terminal of the supply is connected with the emitter and negative terminal with ground terminal of the sensor. Now our circuit is ready and you can see this is working properly. Now we have to clean the can and we will put the sensing element here. Adjust the sensor as per requirement. And the elements are fixed with the hot glue gun. Don't apply glue on transistor heatsink and sensitivity controlling knob. Now we have to connect the pump with this terminal, and this USB cable will be used for power supply. The PVC pipe is inserted through the outlet point of the pump and tied with the cable ties. A hole is made and the pipe and the power supply cable of the pump is inserted through the hole. Now we have to connect the pump with the circuit through the extension cable. Red with red and black with blue is connected. And some glue is applied on the joint of the cable as it may start the electrolysis process inside the sanitizer. The insulation is thoroughly sealed and the pipe and cable is inserted properly. cut the pipe as required, and some glue is applied to fix the pipe movement. You can see it's working properly. By controlling the sensitivity knob, you can select the sensing distance. To fix the pipe in desirable position, a GI wire is inserted inside the tube. Now the sanitizer is poured into the can, and now you can see our sanitizer dispenser is working properly. To reduce the wastage and limit the flow of the sanitizer, we have to use a nozzle. You can use a rejected pen as nozzle. Now you can see less quantity of the sanitizer is dispensing, and you can use a power bank to make it portable. Always maintain these do's and don'ts and hand washing technique and the precautions regarding the hand sanitizer. And remember, we have to fight against COVID-19 pandemic, not against the affected. Stay tuned with us. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.